Hi friends, welcome to a very important PYQ analysis video. In today's video, I am going to do a very important PYQ analysis from a section of Indian economy which is becoming very important in the prelims examination. But the tragedy is that most of the aspirants they ignore this section because this section is not covered in most of the books properly, and this section is very dynamic. And if you see most of the coaching institutes, okay, their study material ignore this section. But unfortunately, UPSC has been asking a lot of questions from this section in the last 2 years, and most of the aspirants are getting these sections wrong, these questions wrong from this section. Therefore, it becomes very important that you prepare this section. Guys, in the last 2 years, two questions have come from this section, and both were directly from current affairs and very easy question. So guys, okay, please stick to this video till the end if you want to score very high marks in the economy section in the prelims 2024. So guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have cleared the prelims examination all 6 times with one of the highest scores ever scored by any UPSC aspirants. My marks in the prelims examination has been always very consistent. I have scored more than 30 to 40 marks more than the prelims cutoff, which is very high. Guys, I have cleared the mains examination 4 times. I have cleared the state PCS examination also and was allotted the deputy collector rank. Guys, this is my free telegram channel. You can subscribe to my free telegram channel. Every day I post a lot of free content from current affairs for the prelims examination particularly. Guys, I have a mastery in the prelims examination. I can help you crack the prelims examination very easily. So guys, can anyone guess? Can anyone guess what is that section? Okay, I'm giving you 5 seconds. Okay, in the comment box, let me see how many of you can guess it correctly that this section is what. So guys, your time starts now. So you have guessed it right. That section is capital market. That section is capital market. Generally, capital market is ignored by most of the UPSC aspirant, and it is ignored in the books also. But if you see, the number of questions from capital markets and financial markets are increasing. Let me just show you something. So I will show you some news item. You can see the news item from 2021 newspapers, the sobering disconnect between the soaring Sensex and the contraction in the real economy. Again, you can see a disturbing disconnect between India's real economy and the financial market. You can see, okay, October 2021. Guys, during the COVID pandemic, what happened? The Indian economy and the world economy went into slowdown. It went into slowdown, and even few countries went into recession. However, the financial markets, the Sensex was soaring. The financial markets, the stock markets were soaring. Therefore, there was a disconnect between the real economy and the financial markets. There was a financial boom in the market, whereas the real economy was stagnating. So this was asked in the UPSC prelims examination 2022. You can see here, which of the following activities constitute the real sector in the economy. So guys, you can see here, if you have seen the news item properly, the financial markets are not part of the real economy, so real sector of the economy. So the answer will be 1 and 2. The answer was option A. Okay, so you see how UPSC is directly asking questions from current affairs, and you can also predict questions from this section very easily. Guys, I was able to predict the question from this section in prelims 2023. Let me just show you. So guys, this year there was a very important news item. Okay, volatility in the stocks of Adani Group. Volatility in the stocks of Adani Group after the Hindenburg report. Okay, even you can see here, Gautam Adani said that volatility in the stocks of the group is temporary. So I picked this topic and I had predicted in my Optima series. You can see here, India Volatility Index and Sensex. I had said that question can come from volatility, and you can see this is a prelims 2023 question. This is a prelims 2023 question. In the context of finance, the term beta is used for. So guys, the answer to this question is the fluctuations of a stock. Fluctuations to a stock is called beta. Okay, so directly this question was from the volatility and fluctuations in the stock market. Volatility in the fluctuation in the stock market. You can see here how predicting questions are very easy. I was able to predict exactly the same question. And how I was able to do so? Because when I analyzed the prelims 2022 paper, I could see that UPSC is focusing on the disconnect between the real economy and the financial sector, and the stock markets which are booming, they have no connection with the real economy. In this context, the stock market, the capital market becomes very, very important. So I gave a list of topics and important questions which can come from this section, and exactly the same question came in the exam. So what can be, okay, questions from the this section for the prelims 2024. So guys, I have prepared a list of topics which you can prepare, and these sections I'm going to cover in my Optima series, of the Lakshya test series. Guys, I'm going to cover all these important questions. For example, primary market, secondary market, what are the products of primary and secondary market, what is IPO, what is FPO, what is FPS, what is the draft red herring prospectus, what are right issues, what is free float, what is short selling, what is derivative trading, what is T+1 settlement, what is fat finger, what is insider trading, what is investor education protection fund, what is the role of SEBI, what is index fund, what is Sensex, what is India volatility index. So all these topics are very, very important for the prelims 2024, and I'm going to discuss these topics in my Optima tests. So guys, it is very important for you to do the PYQ analysis so that you understand the trend of the questions which are coming for the examination, so that you can be prepared on this section. Guys, most of the students, they don't know because they fail to analyze. So guys, if you like this analysis, please do like, because your all likes and comments, they encourage me to do this analysis. Guys, it takes a lot of effort to do these kinds of analysis. Nowhere in India you will find these kinds of analysis. So please do share your comment and share these videos with your friends who are preparing for the prelims examination. Guys, here I would like to tell you that I am running this Lakshya 1 year test series where I give weekly target and I give you weekly test, and in that you have one important Optima series which is the most important question which I just showed you, and the full length test. So these are tests which are very, very important, and I'm able to predict every year 30 to 40 questions, similar questions which comes in the UPSC examination. This will give you an edge over other aspirants. So thank you guys, please do share and like, and please do comment on this video. Thank you.